Hi friends, many times in my OPD when I see patients, I get patients almost every day, at least one or two, who ask me that my knee makes a lot of noises, it crackles, it kind of, makes pops and clicks. Is that a problem? Well, for the most times it is not a problem, because if there is a click, if there is a cracking noise in the knee, then don't be worried about it, because it sometimes comes de novo and goes de novo. The problem is if that noise is associated with little pain, and if the patient, when that noise comes, has some kind of pain in the knee joint, and that is something which you need to be worried about. So a click or a crackle associated with pain may need investigations. That may be some kind of a meniscus tear, or it may be a loose body, but for the vast majority, crackling or clicks in the knee without any pain is not a worrisome condition. Just ignore it, and I'm sure it will just pass off. So not to worry.